Welcome back to This Week in AI. We're talking about America's fast food chains have been some of the earliest adopters of AI technology, believe it or not. McDonald's has been experimenting with AI ordering in its drive-thru since 2019. Now other companies like Wendy's, Popeyes, and Taco Bell are testing customer support bots as well. Using the text-to-speech model like Play.ht can give every small business a customer support bot with human-like voices. Here are 2 AI tools you can use to automate support for your business. Air AI, this new tool can have 10 to 40 minute long phone calls and remembers everything. And then there's Slang AI. This assistant manages your phone lines and can respond to any inquiry about your business. And it doesn't use slang like we do. Well guys, like I always say, let's continue to use AI for good, and we will see you next time on This Week in AI.